standardized patient exercise coming up.
Too close.
Hey, we're going to need to be practicing, so can I have a volunteer? Jenna, will you come up? Jenna, everybody.
Yeah,
Jenna!
No.
All right, just take a seat there.
Yeah.
You see, you know, we spend a lot of time learning about the heart, and I don't know, it's, we've had a lot of studying. All physicians lose money when sued. What's that? I don't know what it is. Take money. So, you know, to get through this standardized patient exercise, if you help me through it, I don't remember all the steps of the heart, so I made up a little song to help me get through it. And I'd appreciate your constructive feedback at the end. Fill out your Lucif, and we'll go from there. It's all for professionalism and help me to learn the steps of the heart, if you don't mind. It's just a little something. Just give me your feedback. Just be honest. No hard feelings. You're a professional at this. You say you're short of breath when you exercise. Or maybe pour blood profusion to your thighs. So many problems, they can surface with age. Let me take a look for anything out of place. Well, let me auscultate your heart. Listen for S1 and S2. This won't let blood through, and there will be murmurs and splitting of sounds. Let me auscultate your heart. Only then can your diagnosis be found. Don't grade me for singing on key. I can't do it. I'm gonna put my bell on your intercostal space. It's professional, I swear, don't give me that face. I'm listening for gallops and regurgitation. Let me take a look for either one. Well, let me auscultate your heart. Stenosis won't let blood through, and there will be murmurs and splitting of sounds. Let me auscultate your heart. Only then can your diagnosis be found. I forgot to wash my hands. Ah, Kohler's gonna kill me. Oh God. Don't mark me down, I'll pay you. Please be quiet, I need to hear your heartbeat. This is so much easier in the lab with Harvey. Please be quiet, oh yeah, I need to think this through. Go through all the facts, okay, it's time to review. Let me auscultate your heart. Listen for S1 and S2. Let me auscultate your heart. No stenosis, it's true. And I heard no murmurs and no splittings of sounds. Let me auscultate your heart. And Jenna, you're going to be fine. You passed the test. Sounds normal. It's all good. I actually can't hear a thing. I'm just pretending. How do they go in? You're gonna be good. All good. Let's hear it for our standardized patients.